To sign up for our services, the first thing you want to do is open up the web browser on your computer or your smartphone and just search Stirgus Credit Repair. Right here on Google, right above our customer reviews, you want to click this website button, which is going to bring you straight to our website, StirgusCreditRepair.com. And you're going to see a button that says sign up for credit repair. If you want to sign up for our service, it takes 2 minutes max to enter in all of your information, put your card on file, and get started with our services. But first, let's go over our website. So again, for new customers that want to sign up for credit repair, you just click this button here to sign up, or the sign up button that's right here. If you are a current customer of ours and you want to log into your account to track your progress or look at your monthly updates, you just come to the website, click this button here to log into your account. So if you scroll down, you're going to see a button that brings you to our Facebook page, all of our social media icons there, Facebook, Instagram, emailing. We have a few customer reviews right here you can kind of go through and read up on. If you want to schedule a free phone consultation, you can do so at whatever day and time you want. Just click here to go to the Contact Us page and schedule your phone consultation. If you have no credit history and you would like to build credit history, you can go to our credit building products page. And you can apply for things like our secure credit building card, our credit building loans, and other things that we have on our credit building products page. If you are a new small business owner and you have no business credit, you can apply for business credit right here on our website. And we have many other services as well. If you are looking to apply for a mortgage, auto loan, or personal loan, you can do so as well right here on our website. We're partnered with many professionals in those industries to get you approved for whichever loan you're trying to get. And right here at the bottom, you have our merchandise store where you can shop at our store and purchase some of the products that we sell on there. Things like our shirts and cell phone case covers are pretty popular here. So let's go back to the top. So before you sign up for our service, I highly recommend you go to the credit repair details page in the subtitles. A lot of people, whenever they contact a credit repair company, they have a lot of general questions about the service. So things like how credit repair works, what can be done, how long it takes, how much it costs. So unlike most companies where you have to call or email and they take forever to answer your questions, you don't have to wait on answers here. You can get all of your answers to your questions within maybe 10 seconds of reading here. Just pick whichever question you like. And you can get the answer right there in a detailed message. So let's go back to the sign up now page. You're going to see a few instructions there. That's for later. So right here on the sign up here form, you want to enter in your first name, last name, your email. I just pretty much typed a bunch of fake information in here just for the purposes of this video. And then you want to also put your card on file. Again, you're going to select the payment plan. The first month is free, just due to it is illegal for credit repair organizations to charge money up front. We do have a Credit Repair Organization Act law that we must follow. And you can kind of read up on all of those laws right back here on the credit repair details page, where it shows that you can't charge for money up front. You can't pretty much guarantee fake results. A lot of people, they post on social media about they can fix credit within 30 days or 7 days, whichever they're trying to advertise. A lot of that stuff is not true. So you definitely want to read up here on the Credit Repair Organizations Act. So if we go back to the sign up page, you want to enter in all of your information. Click this button here to verify that you are not a robot. And then you want to submit my information now. Once you do that, the system is going to send you an enrollment link or enrollment assessment to your email that you put on file, and you want to complete that information as soon as possible. I would highly recommend you only sign up if you are 100% ready to get started with credit repairs. A lot of people sign up and they get sent the enrollment assessment to their email and they never complete it, or they get through it and they just forget to do it later, and it's just a waste of time for everyone. So only sign up if you're 100% ready to start working on your credit. And again, once you submit your information there, you get that enrollment assessment in your email. And then if you were referred by one of our consultants, we have about 5 or 6 consultants that we work with. If you were referred by one of them, they would appreciate if you click this button here to go to the referral form. That way you can select their name, and you may get a little discount there depending on which consultant refer you and they have verified that they have spoken with you. So it is very recommended that you click that button only after you submit your information. So that is it. We went over the entire website there and information on how to sign up, how to get answers to your questions, and we will have a separate video about what to do with that enrollment assessment. Thank you. If this video helped you, be sure to like it, comment, share it, and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching.